Hey, LittleFoot. Yes, Woodpecker. Do you still with the call light shutting down your company? Yes, call light did, Woodpecker. That was not funny. I do not want Ratchet and Clank 2016. Columbia Pictures got Ratchet and Clank, not you, LittleFoot. I know that, Woodpecker. Now guess what? Gramercy Pictures will reopen it. Better shut down. And I'm sorry for shutting down your company because there's only one thing. Straight Gems for Paramount, Orion Pictures for Warner Brothers, Lionsgate for roadside attractions, and international classics for Disney. How's that? Oh, yes! I do not have to be shut down Gramercy Pictures again, and apology accepted. Woodpecker, I forgive you. You not have shutting down Gramercy Pictures anymore.